Hello everyone, today I'm glad to introduce our Noblelift Q-series electric forklifts. Our Q-series covers a total of 9 tonnages and varies from 1.6 ton to 5 tons with different specifications. Now let's take a closer look at its products. Safety has always been a concern for forklifts. Our Q-series adopts the same mast system, front and rear axles, as well as the frame of the internal combustion vehicle to ensure the same level of robustness and durability. And our Q-series can implement with automatic deceleration, which reduces the risk of overturning curves and improves driving safety. Our Q-series is all equipped with lithium iron phosphate battery with its 2-hour fast charging and opportunity charging features. It can meet the demands of different working conditions. With its seat open, as you can see, the controller and the motor clearly visible, make it easier to maintain, charge and replace the battery. All battery capacity is available in 277, 412 and 554 amp hours. It has to be mentioned that our Q-series offer a wide range of different options. For example, the driving cab can be fitted with a fan, air conditioner, heater or rear wipers to making your drive more comfortable. And we have automatic heating battery as well. It offers great reliability in extreme temperatures, ensuring your vehicle operates efficiently in cold environments. Our Q-series offers the best solution for your material handling with excellent performance, robustness, safety, efficiency, and the various of different options. If you are interested in any of these models or specs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you today for joining us to discover our fantastic Q-series. I see you next time.